Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a drop-down selection to a Microsoft Word document. So say we have this t-shirt order list and we want to give some choices here rather than just having the people add their own information when they get this document. So, if they put orange for a color and we don't have orange, then that's not going to work out. So to do this, we need to go to the options from the file menu here. And you want to go to Customize Ribbon and you want to look for Developer. Check that box to add it. Click OK, and now you notice we have developer up here. So we want to use one of these tools here. If you hover over, it'll tell you what it is. So we want the drop-down list content control. So you put the cursor where you want this check or selection box to be. Click on it, and now we have it here. And then we could go to its properties. And so now we could start adding items here. So we want to add a large, medium, and small. And then if you want to, change the color, that type of thing, and text items and that kind of thing. And then, prevent it from being deleted and edited and so on. So we're just going to stick with the defaults for now. You could add a title to it as well. Okay, so now they have this here, choose an item, and they could just pick their selection here. So you notice it keeps the same font here unless you were to go to change it up here. If you want to change it to something a little different. Okay, so now for color, same thing. And of course, you could have the display name and the value be different if you want. So, and then, obviously, long or short sleeve, so you get the gist of how it works. So, once again, just kind of, pick your section there. Click on the control here. To add it, then just go to its properties. Add the fields you want. If you want to change the font style and the color of the box, and if you want to add a title or tag to it, you could do so from there. And then going back here again, File, Options, Customize Ribbon, make sure Developer is checked, and then you'll be able to create your own drop-down list. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.